Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Vianney and today's tutorial will be of this look I have right now. It's a look I created just because I got some Morphe James Charles palette and I've seen all the beautiful colors and I didn't know where to start, and I started with this look. So if you would like to see how I got this cut crease, then keep on watching.
Hey guys, so we're just first going to start off with prepping our face, and I used the No Pore Blem primer in Touch and Soul. And for my eye base, I used the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk Laite. And I did also apply some tape just to make the cut crease a little more sharper at the ends. And then I just tapped everything out with my finger. And to set my base, I did use the Air Spun face powder. And to start off our eyeshadow, I used the James Charles palette, and the first color I used was Playground for my upper crease. When you're applying these colors, guys, try to go little by little. It's better to keep on adding than to add too much and then you can't really fix it. Then you gotta start all over, and you do not want to do that crap. So now we're just going into Brother, and I'm applying that to the crease. And now I'm just going into Hoola, and I'm applying that to the crease too, just to make it a little more darker than what Brother was doing for me. And then I did go back into Playground just to blend everything out. So now to cut my crease, I'm using the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk Laite again. And you'll be seeing me go back into Hoola quite a few times just because I wanted to make the line sharper. And I use so many brushes in this video. It's like, what? So now I just went back into Playground just to blend everything out. And to set the base, I did use Flashback. To start my liner, I used Biege for the inner corner. Then I went into Social Blade, and I applied that to the rest of the wing. Then I was like, you know what, let me do this ombre look and go into Daddy. I added that to the end of the wing. Then I went back into Social Blade just to blend everything out so there's no harsh lines. go into Guac just to add more darkness to the end of the wing. And it did add some shimmer to it. And for the inner corner, I went into Hello, just to add a little more sparkle. And for my brow bone, I went into the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 palette, and I used Treasure. And I curled my lashes. And for mascara, I did use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. You guys know I have some mixed feelings about this mascara just because there's a lot of fallout throughout the day of it. I'm not gonna lie. And I put some falsies on. I used the Eylure lashes in Opulent. So for foundation, of course you guys know I used my Too Faced Born This Way in Warm Nude. And this time I used a kabuki brush, and I remembered why I love this brush so much because it leaves my foundation flawless and so smooth and so evenly dispersed, and I'm like, oh my gosh, yes. What was I doing? I mean, don't get me wrong, I love the beauty blenders, but there's nothing like my kabuki brush. And for contouring, you guys know I'm using my Hoola bronzer. I'm just contouring my cheekbones, my temples, and my jawbone. For concealer, I'm using my L.A Girl Pro concealer in Natural. I'm just blending it out with my beauty blender. Applying that to my under eyes, my chin, and my forehead, and bringing it down to the bridge of my nose. And I'm just going to bake my face with my Spun face powder. Also added the colors that I used for my liner for my under eyes, and I used that actually in the same order, so the yellow, the lime green, and then the dark green at the ends. Just going to dust my face powder off. Ooh, look at all that face powder. I'm looking like smoke out there. So for blush, I'm using my Milani Baked Blush in Dolce Pink. You guys know I love this blush. It's so pretty. And for highlight, I'll be using Pretty Vulgar in Shimmering Swan. And you guys, I am in love with this highlighter. It just adds like a natural glow to you, honestly. Now I'll be applying Morphe's color pencil in Harper for my waterline. I thought it added a really nice, cute, shimmering blue to my eye. It made the yellow and the greens pop a little more. And to line my lips, I'll be using NYX Suede in London. And to fill in my lips, I'll be using Milani's lipstick in Bahama Beige. And you guys, these lipsticks are so creamy. Like, I love Milani lipsticks and they just do not get the credit they should. They're so creamy and they're just so easy to work with. They blend so easily. They're amazing. And I'm just going back into my liner, my lip liner, just to reline my lips and to overline my upper lip a little bit. And I'll be using my Better Than Sex mascara for my lower lashes. And to set my face, I used my Urban Decay De-Slick setting spray. And there's the look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It was a little different. Please leave a comment below. Give me a like if you guys want more videos like this. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, guys.
Don't mind my bra. I did not want to change it. No, I did not. After 100 times at this thing, guys, finally done!